everybody, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've been in front of this camera. So today I'm coming to you as Chef Jaylee, and alright, the topic of the video is the honing knife, honing stick. Throughout the video I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm talking about, so you don't have to sit over here and wonder what in the world is a honing knife, how do you hone the knife, what in the world is it, and how do you use it? So first of all, it's basically a tool that we use in the kitchen that keeps our knives nice and sharp. However, it is not a sharpener. So your knife and everything like that being sharp is not predicated on that honing knife or honing stick. I forgot what it's called, but it's basically this thing, and I mean, I'm gonna show you, but it's just you use it right before you get ready to cook, or you know you're gonna need your knife for a long period of time in the kitchen. So you end up using what it does is it keeps your knife sharp. Now, like I said, it doesn't necessarily sharpen your knife for you. It just enhances the sharpen, if that makes sense. What you use to actually sharpen your knife in the kitchen is either whetstone, or you use just a knife sharpener. Typically in like restaurant kitchens or anything like that, you use whetstone, and I don't have whetstone to show you. I have a knife sharpener, but it's far. I don't feel like getting it, but it whetstone is really what you use. You use either water or oil, and you use it as kind of like a sharpening brick. There's a fine side, coarse side, and all this other stuff, and it gets it nice and sharp for you. But then the honing knife is just there to keep the knife sharp. So let's say, you know, it keeps it from being worn down over time, if that makes sense. And I will tell you this, the reason why you want to sharpen your knife or keep your knife honed in, crack myself up now, you want to keep your knife nice and sharp with every use, because a dull knife is actually the most dangerous knife in the kitchen. It's not a sharpened knife, it's a dull knife. A dull knife can cause so much damage and do so much harm. I done seen people lose fingers, or they at least told me that they lost a finger, and all this other stuff. And it's just, you know, the knife and the cutting board should be in sync. It should not be any strange, forceful, any resistance between the moment that you cut through that ingredient to the point that that knife touches the bottom of the cutting board. There should be harmony when you cut, okay? Not all this yeah and all this other stuff, because you got to use all your force because that knife is so dull. And then, you know, there's instances where the knife, you know, will be so dull and you're going to cut like a potato or something, and then that boy just fly off from underneath the knife and it hit you in the gut. Then your knife fall over, stab somebody in the stomach, and now you at the ambulance and all this other stuff. I mean, a dull knife is very dangerous. It's very hazardous in the kitchen. So that is why we hone our knives. I really hope I'm saying honing knife and not honing stick. Sometimes I get it mixed up. I really just call it a honing stick. But I know it's honing something, but it's just like sometimes it slipped me, so I hope I'm saying it right. If I'm not, you'll know. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you. If you're a culinary student, or you're just getting into the industry, or if you just love to cook or you don't know how to cook, you know, this is the channel for you. If you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, tell me that you liked it. Tell me what you would like more of, and I will be happy to show it to you. And yeah, that's it for me. So I'm gonna say see you later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you learned something, and peace out.